Welcome back to the Charged Up Podcast. Today, we're diving deep into the world of technology, data tracking, and the fascinating algorithms that shape our online experiences. Have you ever wondered how your digital footprint influences the products you see? Well, it all starts with a simple line of code, like the one that initializes Google Tag Manager. It's astonishing how a few snippets can manage data, track user interactions, and even personalize your experience. But let's not stop there. We're seeing a transition towards a more connected society, where every click and interaction is not just data, but a reflection of our choices. Take Tesla, for example. The recent news of Cybertruck sales and trim replacements has sparked discussions on reliability and consumer trust. How does a company navigate recalls, and what does that mean for the brand's future? As we embrace this digital age, we must also question how much we're willing to sacrifice for convenience. Are we trading privacy for personalized experiences? It's a complex web, and we're here to untangle it. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI.